What's going on, guys? Cameron from Lebanon Performance here. I know things are looking a little different right now, but today we're starting a series of videos of explaining some commonly upgraded parts that our customers are inquiring about. So tonight we're going to be kicking it off by comparing the Pro Comp leveling kit to the Fox leveling kit here. So first tonight, we're going to be talking about the Pro Comp leveling kit. This specific Pro Comp leveling kit is actually for a 20 to 21 F-150 and or Ranger. And as you can see, it's a very basic install with just two parts. You have your spacer as well as your puck. So what that's gonna do is it's going to give you an expandable of 2 to 2.5 inches with or without the spacer to your truck's ride height. Now this is going to allow you to easily run a 34 to 35 inch tire. And as I said, it's a very basic install, just two pieces. Now, if you want this installed, LFP does offer a 12-month warranty. So moving on, we're gonna talk about the difference of the Fox leveling kit here. And as you can see, it's a lot bigger. It does offer full adjustability up to 2.5 inches to easily fit as well a 34, 35 inch tire. So this Fox suspension is superior to any other leveling kit that's on the market, and it's going to give you the ride quality that you expect. So again, if you want to get this Fox leveling kit installed on your vehicle, LFP does offer the 12-month warranty on that as well. So if you're interested in getting either the Pro Comp leveling kit or the Fox leveling kit on your vehicle, go ahead and give us a call at 513-932-1010 or visit us at LebanonFordPerformance.com.